Good morning. I have a song called Badwam Ahosepe Jumezedo or one fantedo. And Major Manando or Hadi and pay Maz Entertainment and some no Mazer Bro. Sisiara no yan and say that was Sisiano, Yene Nufano, Nana Pana Panube awo. Into no mammy, she sweater nazi, long sleeves as necessary. Aye. Nanka, I'm a Tanam and Kawamas no tonka. The minute you try and I cheap pictures na head. Snow to Ghana and other at least briefly no Konya bad. It's no one share on na one young who be big a crown for my hand. Now, much there, one who ban fra one who Sunday Yerbas who rim papa. It's no young boy and woman in free Yerba weekendy now or a packed papa a call socials no da events none some will see what chrome had day or so when you saw catch and one more watching one. Momoneka Kufuna Chade Zosi Biano, Yenus Dize Chechira. Na Shatta Wale, the performance ha okay with President's Cup no Arsenal match no Kobueno, Kotokona hats, one match no Kobueno. Performance no ya come here, papa, Shatta all the way, wase baby na na where Ghana for ye pass a mintine bisum. Into you know taxpayers' money no was chena kawana. Na fentio ababechirim dasana nya wuske bia mame wusike nyim Shatta no kotokum ho ba bia debi Shatta nara na wa bone kaw na wa ntime yente fentio o chirema you know Kofi Adams nana o chechire mu chire ntime yente
with the President's Cup, Shatta Wale.
Oh yeah,
he took fans through an electric performance. You know what I just discovered?
What?
That his whole performance, the whole production, everything, he covered the whole cost by himself. The state didn't pay him.
Are you? No. Are you kidding?
No. The sports minister released a statement to clarify that no taxpayers' money was given to Shatta Wale. That he covered, the performance was free and he covered the production cost all by himself. And he said that was his way of honoring President.
And his performance was the highlight of the event.
It was a big deal. It was a big deal.
Whoa!
It was a big deal. And you know, to be honest, in previous years, the President's Cup hasn't exactly attracted huge numbers. This year has been very different. It's been refreshingly different, and we like that. I hope that they can keep it.
You see the power of the arts in everything that we do.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I mean, certainly the attraction of Shatta Wale, the prospect of Shatta Wale performing definitely attracted a lot more fans.
There was Kwaku Smoke and Boguble as well,
and even Camido, right? Also showed up a little bit.
Yeah.
So. You know, it's important. You know, sports, music,
recreation. We're all one family. I always tell you.
You know, it's very important. Very important.
This is Hits.
Big ups to the SM King. Big ups to the dancehall king in the whole of Africa. Nyami insha na papa yeda na say. Do tumna otunukotokum na rabon ho kaw. Na obebe ye performance kama otidam ozima hen hunda na orbo shagzin so huda hurintino bo mozana ate yi app na download na ya fa shagzin no informal business oyenyen na untum na onye mo performances may for free Shatta ye bo hwenyim ai bo show December free na ye mo vibe na away from that Kempaluta so weekend nizin na mkofo huni enum papa na ninyina fa zokaye wa brochi oside one ho fenzo boko na so suba zo baba kopuemu abrochi a performance ori yo le ra bebi ho na adwen kasa by heart ori chere mame no na yi na bulldog re chere de ohwe mosima brente man obre pa sana otum na ori shine no nya spotlight no so no ohwe mosima live na life na ohun do basan wa okehye ma onyambe so keshem sagana fu kanishem paza anyaza Kempaluta obasisi ara but Ghana fu nchaye nkanishim aw mayente bulldog na yemresisi am
a brand
underground 15
a brand which is soaring like this.
No, listen, it not be bro. Look, my mom used that boy did underground 15 years. No, wait. And he go back 88 years.
Hey.
No, See, me, my mom, when we were growing up, she says anything I tell you is based on your reaction or your behavior. I am not a witch. I am not anything. I'm just telling what you are. Ibatobo. Can they come back here? It's simple, bro. Have you heard the video?
Words are powerful, you know. So when you say you go 80,
But so wait,
that's a powerful thing.
So good. The reason why I can say that is what he has showed me.
I understand, but I wouldn't want you to also toe that line that you tell him that he goes 80 years.
Bro, did you see that? Have you seen it?
I have, but let's all exercise some little bit of restraint. Two wrongs don't make a right.
Well, so I'm wrong. I'm not wrong.
You are wrong. I'm just saying that you prophesying on his life, this career that
no, because of what he's just displayed.
I do understand.
So make I reduce the years.
Yes, reduce the years.
Okay, maybe another 50. Because you see, no trust, bro. You can't do this. What did they make? It's just like I don't know how they see this. And I said I wrote something on Facebook 2 years ago. I said artistry or this thing, musicianship, whatever. They are the most pampered individuals. Mm-hmm. They are the most pampered. Mm-hmm. From the one where they don't know anything, they give them fans. You just to do your boy. Yo, Charlie, that line be deadly. Bars. From beginning, then you take the person out of the studio. You go and rent a car they've never sat in before. You put them against or beside a woman where go dream say go touch. Go people your man with the clothing. No. Osibo, get them some badass stuff. You are building on his ego. And you forget say it be illusion. Do a nice video, it be illusion. So all those things they go in head. When he finish where he now he blow, he feel say he's what?
You retain a bulldog retains are some normal mixed feelings. Because on the baby should be bad. But see Morocana and to now and control how we be act. But it was me control how I wear act. What response on here papa? Into no the mobile no. I went to me she, but that way by any but my who baby. Into na one cacrono, came paluta. But 88 years the abada. As a want to one bastard in pan for my him cacrama came paluta because Echo Street no the yaz will be ali kebiman. To know eja ya bend upon one chow fan channel more issue apology na yen queen name nada. Now, away from that, no, you can't go consaso kakre. Ke Matthew Rollins, oye Ghana mampenida dawa when you're the baby call, neba, beimba, Wakanden. Una na one panana skin color most more tonight, no, why that bro for kakra, nice boy. Minuka say, na Ghana ketese bebre, wa mark boy na to ho. Minuka say, no so, or kawalist no one you free mati. The CCR only market in Dubio, and the Nian and say, the Wenjina have baby, Wafa Bruni, Wawano. And so, no, you know where the nasty video kakra, Mammy and say, I'm woman, the eye, being but no hour, may uncle share Zoko do our and I say, so kakra. Whereby for video not to do, because or if your papa and if oh my God. Obi this nusunum obi ate iya ufa baby bafa ate into no congrats kese pa unkoma ono no nyene yuni nyina wife na so e kama no we fe papa oba me mo frama kama you know ozime for mulato obe mulatos kama into no no wasa maranyen ma ye free hono me na me free any just me ba kwal benyu anje ho me ba kwal paaze benyu anje ho no so no ozi do osara mko into hwa na mko mekeke gina osofa agrada osatela wo Badwam sonudi onwie ma menyu kase sa na o case school bi so court onye osofo biblical sofo apia biblical sa no so na onye osofo agrada onye no court ochemoro akoshe ni nude pictures bi na ada menyu kase de yenya nte e da court after no lawyers the one bra na omobo defense no nti no even though what the 15 say although yanshan by the end of the year no na ekako 25 nti awo say sofo biblical na yonko say ai
But court no say omo open defense. Ti eno kwa ni tumi aka. Because na omo pesenka yembo asem into sana no yes ni beka but court no say on to be massive into omo open defense. Ti eno na tumi aka. So need to make details because of content. Medamas.
When to be in the court, no issue warrant. Say, I'm Franco Fanabra. Open with the 30th.
It's really appeal, and I say,
we are a case here. It's
a different case.
A different case.
Okay, internet. This month, test your Baba.
Yes.
Now, in the day, where the day, Padaroma.
When I'm your complainant.
Complainant. Okay. All right, there's a quick update. So to say, maybe I'm here Accra High Court.
Oh, you are. And I oh, no, you complainant no. Internet who complainant no. Na mo po cho Bible ya ye kani. Za ye nyina ye ne kani bia no obi ala kana na de bi no was ne different kakra because nka ma minyi da won yanko shefo mensa no fo wona ne mpia ne nhya ho. Ehu. Ana wo kirema so far gada na so na so aye dwum nti won ja no mo mfom. Sisi ade why asemo? Agrada na ho aba asemi. See our content no chede old ones na be recycled na ma ye be ended. I swear ma many hard too much. Into no bobo you kasi we chi bia is enyo be echi na yes ono so yes bro. Now over the weekend me hunde onanda oyenada. Me hunda na tiny me nyim zo okay yes or pa na yere chew. Video no or ya kaba papa our wife no Jupiter we kneel down wapa wife feature na ada me nyim zo si wife fa che na ate. I'll have video no na you mesisi ya.
Don't know what I do. Please forgive me. Can't stop loving you. Don't deny me. It's better. Please forgive me. Can't stop loving you.
Into nowhere. No was a marrying. And Tiny, you know, Anna. Hey, brother, how old are you? Because what I look young, cannot tiny na. Then you now what I don't know. Oh, AG cry. You too much exercise. Nazi be or cocodom and ozie. Shenezie. You know, big ups to you. Me hope that wife you or that child. As I say, wife or papa. We don't know who I'm saying. Say a single and tassy. A single and tassy, but. Eja no was am everywhere na borosoro but me pede video yi na embrace here
iPhone 11 o de ajuma di akola no o ba ni o as you created city for iPhone 11 you use next time. There's so much I talk about that one fan got to iPhone 11 o de ajuma di akola no o ba ni o as you created city for iPhone 11 you use next time. There's so much I talk about that one fan got to
ain't no streets no die show na tata. You chroma show. Kofi wana adwin ye adwuma. You for look sharp. Ye chema CC anon iPhone what surprises no na but still brothers is in the 80 Ghana kota iPhone 11. What's when you wonder or them when you shine with eyes. Sunshine with eyes was streets no so. Maza asembe do. Into no you iPhone 11 again. Sa paper no shemo, sa concrete no de gumo, nyakopon pe no nyim. Ofon ko ete Ghana. Cement no kra wato na hen. Hey. Me the best day. Head of productions here Wobe Kofi Adams OPD na obo mama yemu production hu nyame nyinara na Mark Weber e director hu mo control nya George and the PICU Thomas e camera one of some muma mzi bro nya me de hu nya say outside jimbre nyimi ye nyame show papa ma sorry nyame adom ye besana yeshia